Have you heard of celery? It is often used to make green juices. With many benefits to the health and a legion of fans, it left the spot of co-star and became the protagonist of many natural recipes. Some famous people drink only celery juice in the morning, believing that it has many benefits to the health, such as decreases high cholesterol. Thanks to the phenolic acids, flavonoids, and flavonoids, it helps decrease the bad cholesterol. Celery also relaxes blood vessels, which reduce blood pressure. Consuming celery also minimizes the chances of developing heart issues. Did you know that celery is good for liver health? For those who suffer from fatty liver, consuming celery helps reduce the fat buildup. Fights inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of our body to infections or wounds, and celery acts in the healing process. Thanks to its antioxidants and polysaccharides, it is a great food as we age, since it fights the damages caused by free radicals. Celery is also very helpful to treat joint pains, gout, liver and kidney infections, skin diseases, irritable bowel syndrome, urinary tract infections, and many more. Are you liking the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can learn how to drink celery water. Improves digestion. Celery seeds contain an odorless and oily compound known as NBP, which has a diuretic effect and helps detoxify the body. This compound is also responsible for lowering blood pressure and improving intestinal flow, aiding in digestion and relieving water retention. Prevents urinary tract infections. Capable of reducing uric acid and stimulating the production of urine, celery is good for those who suffer from urinary tract infections. It stimulates the body to fight bacterial infections in the digestive tract and reproductive organs. Besides that, it also treats bladder disorders, kidney problems, and even cysts in the reproductive organs. Interesting, right? Boosts immunity. Because of its vitamins, including vitamin C, celery is great to boost the immune system. This way, we are less vulnerable to infections and viruses. Improves the skin. Celery juice is used to keep the skin young because of its high concentration of water. Besides that, it keeps the skin soft and flexible. Do you want to learn how to make celery water or celery tea? Write down the ingredients. 20 grams of any part of the celery. 1 cup of boiling water. Directions. Put the celery in boiling water. Cover it and let it rest. Once it is warm, strain and drink. Celery is an excellent source of antioxidants and beneficial enzymes. It has vitamins K and C, potassium, folate, and vitamin B6. That's why it is so good for us. Be it a soup, juice, or salad, there are many different ways to consume this incredible food. Tell us, have you ever used celery tea? Did you know this recipe? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.